Hi, good morning Mabel. My name is Mihiraa. I'm your invigilator for the OET-speaking session on the 19th of December 2023. How are you doing? Well, I'm great. Can you tell me your full name, for the record please? And what is your candidate number, please? Thank you. And you are taking this test as a nurse? Is that correct? Thank you. Can I see your ID, please? The warm-up questions are not assessed and are a chance for us to get used to each other's voices. We'll just talk for 2 to 3 minutes. How do you build strong connections with fellow nurses and doctors in your healthcare team? How do setbacks impact your emotional state and work performance? Can you share experiences where you've imparted crucial skills to colleagues? Are you more adept at verbal or written communication as a clinical nurse specialist? What nursing tasks do you find least enjoyable or challenging? Great. Thank you very much for sharing that. So, let's move on to role play now. I'll take the part of the patient or perhaps a relative, and you'll take your professional role. The purpose of the role play is to get evidence of your ability to communicate effectively with patients. Use your ability to fulfill as much of the role play as possible. Do you have any questions? You have up to 3 minutes to prepare the role play. You will start the role play after that time. I'll let you know when 3 minutes are up. You can ask me if there's anything you are not sure about, and you can make notes on the role play card if you want to. Here's a pencil for making notes. Your preparation time is over. You can now start your roleplay. Don't worry if I stop you when the time is up. Good afternoon, nurse. I am feeling okay now. Certainly, I am doing well. Yes, I do have some abdominal pain, but it's bearable. Oh, actually, I haven't passed any urine yet. Sure, I will. The pain started not long after the catheter was removed, but it isn't that bad, so I haven't had any treatment. Nurse, I've been having 2 glasses of water every hour, with the last intake just half an hour ago. Nurse, I was hoping that I could go home now that the catheter has been removed. Okay, nurse. I had consumed water at regular intervals. Now, what could be the reason behind that, and what can be done, nurse? Okay, nurse. Nurse, I don't want the catheter to be reinserted. Nurse, I understand the risks. Nevertheless, what bothers me is that I am not keen to go home wearing a catheter bag, and I am not sure if I could cope with emptying it. All right. That will be perfect, nurse. Nurse, can I go home if the catheter bag is reinserted? Okay then, you may please proceed. nurse, when do I have to come back to the hospital for the removal of the catheter bag? All right, nurse. You may please proceed. Thank you, nurse. That is the end of your OET-speaking roleplay. All the best. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video and encourage us.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us do better.